Beside a tranquil river, a humble woodcutter diligently chops wood, the sun dappling through the trees. With practiced ease, he swings his axe, brow furrowed in concentration, as the peaceful rhythm fills the air. Suddenly, a splash shatters the calm as his axe slips from his grasp, disappearing beneath the water's surface, leaving the woodcutter in dismay. On the tranquil riverbank, the woodcutter is a figure of utter despair, his body racked with inconsolable sobs as he mourns his lost axe. Suddenly, a blinding light shatters the scene, an ethereal glow enveloping everything as an angel descends, radiating serenity and immense power. The angel's gentle inquiry pierces through the woodcutter's grief. "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter, eyes still wet with tears, replies, "No, this is not mine." The angel smiles, offering a simple iron axe to the woodcutter, who trembles with anticipation. "Yes, this is mine!" the woodcutter exclaims, his face lighting up with pure, uncontainable joy. "Because you have been truthful, I will reward you," the angel says, presenting him with all three axes as a symbol of his virtue.